अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू मूसा मुनीब एक्सप्लोरर यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आप क्लास 10th के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इसलिए आपसे गुजारिश है कि वीडियो को पूरा देखें, कोई पार्ट स्किप ना करें, क्योंकि इसमें जितने भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो आपको अपने आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में काफ़ी फ़ायदा देगा। तो ये जो क्वेश्चन बैंक हम लाए हैं, गेस पेपर कह सकते हैं आप इसको, विद 90.99% श्योरिटी। तो फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी का पेपर है ये। तो सबसे पहले आपसे गुजारिश है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मूसा मुनीब एक्सप्लोरर यूट्यूब चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करें। सो गेस पेपर शुरू करते हैं। तो वीडियो को लाइक भी ज़रूर कीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। दोस्तों, यह है क्लास 10th साइंस जीके बोस मॉडल पेपर 25 के लिए। तो जैसे कि आप देखते हैं, साइंस में है केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, बायोलॉजी, सारे क्वेश्चंस हम कवर करेंगे। बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो चैनल पर, जैसे मैंने कहा कि चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना। तो दोस्तों, थोड़े क्वेश्चंस को हमने ब्लर किया है कुछ पॉलिसीज़ की वजह से। सो होपफुली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट। लेकिन मैं एक एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए पढ़ूंगा भी, और आप टाइम टू टाइम इन सवालात का स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेते रहें। हाँ जी। सो हियर गोज आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन द स्क्रीन। Anuruddh took aluminum oxide and magnesium oxide. How can he identify and label those oxides? What kind of mirrors are used in headlights of a motor car and why? What is difference between ethanol and ethanoic acid? Next question है, differentiate between chemical composition of soaps and detergents. Why soaps are not suitable for washing where water is hard? Write chemical equation of the preparation of soap from an ester CH3COOCH3. Name this process. Write IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH and CH3CHO. What happens when iron nails are immersed in copper sulfate solution? What type of reaction is it? How are the molecules of aldehyde and ketone different in their structure? What happens to resistance of a conductor when its area of cross section is increased? What is the difference between a reflex action and walking? During vigorous exercise, what happens to the rate of breathing and why? What is your understanding of the fundamental difference between myopia and hypermetropia in terms of the optical experience of a person? Two thin lenses of power positive meaning plus 3.5D and negative minus 2.5D are placed in contact. What will be the power and focal length of the combination? What is the structural formula of ethane? Which type of lenses are thicker in the middle than at the edges? Define Ohm's law and potential difference. What is the unit of current? What is the atmospheric refraction and what causes it? Meaning, what are the causes of atmospheric refraction? Okay. Next question. Find energy transferred by a 100-watt electric bulb in 1 minute. Make a diagram to explain refraction and dispersion. Comment on the principle of an electric motor. What is a balanced chemical equation? Why should chemical equations be balanced? What is biomass? Give 3 examples. What is combination reaction? Give 2 examples. How does the size of an atom generally vary in going from left to right in a periodic table? Why does it vary that way? आप साथ साथ स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेते रहें. What is difference between mineral and ore? Name one ore of sodium. Write the chemical formula of sodium compound present in this ore. Which uses more energy, a 250-watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200-watt toaster in 10 minutes? How do we see colors? Why planets don't twinkle at night? Give a test that can be used to differentiate between butter and cooking oil. रिपीट करता हूँ इस क्वेश्चन को. Give a test that can be used to differentiate between butter and cooking oil. Bee sting is treated with baking soda paste, whereas hornet or wasp sting is treated with dilute vinegar. Comment. हर एक क्वेश्चन के बाद मैं थोड़ा पाज करता हूँ. What is the common name of propanone? Natural acid produced in our stomach is acetic acid, citric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Elements of electrical heating devices are often made up of tungsten, bronze, argon. If the current flowing through a fixed resistor, sorry, it's not register, it's error here. If the current flowing through a fixed resistor is halved, the heat produced in it will become number 1, 1/2, number 2, 1/4, number 3, 4 times, number 4, double. आपने ऑप्शंस में से चूज करना है. Next question. The indicators that turn red in acid solution are turmeric and litmus, litmus and methyl orange. Next question. Indicators which produce a pink color in alkaline solution is methyl orange, litmus paper. तो 2 ऑप्शन है इसमें. Which of the following is not an organic acid? Carbon acid, formic acid, ethanoic acid, citric acid. Here we go to next question. Electronics present in the valence shell of a noble gas atom can be 8, 2, 8 or 2, 8 or 4. Next question. No gap left in Mendeleev's periodic table for the following elements: gallium, beryllium, germanium, scandium. Next question. A beam of white light falling on a glass prism cannot be: number 1, deviated, dispersed, focused, refracted. Next question. Household circuit fuse wire is connected in parallel or series? Explain vegetative propagation with the help of 2 examples. Also write 2 advantages of vegetative propagation. Next question. Why should we conserve forests and wildlife? What is the function of excretory system in humans? Name the various organs of human excretory system and draw its diagram. Define nutrition. What are modes of nutrition? Explain every mode with example. Create a food chain with more than 2 trophic levels that exist in the cabbage farm. If a human occupy the last trophic level, then how would spraying pesticides affect humans? Explain. Your father has short ears and mother has long ears. Explain what effect it will have on the ratio of genetic makeup in second generation, F2 generation. What are traits? Explain inherited traits. Describe the process of digestion of food in humans. Describe the process of urine formation in the kidney. Next question. Water is absorbed in which part of our digestive system? Next question. Draw the structure of nephron and write its location and function. Next question. In a food chain, the initial organism is usually photosynthetic, herbivore, parasitic, saprophytic. Okay, 4 ऑप्शन है इसमें. The third trophic level in a food chain is occupied by carnivores, decomposers, herbivores and producers. हाँ, इसमें 4 ऑप्शन है इसमें भी. Next question. The 2 types of light sensitive cells are in human eye. Where are they found? And name the types. Next question is, which mode of nutrition is observed in humans? Which mode of nutrition is observed in humans? Proteins. Next question, sorry. Proteins in our food is digested by which enzyme? So dear friends, best of luck. इंशाल्लाह आप इन सवालात पर फोकस करना, तो इंशाल्लाह आपके एग्ज़ाम में 80 to 85% इसमें से आएगा ही आएगा. तो आपके लिए दुआ है कि आप सबको कामयाबी मिले. आमीन. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.